Achieving money isn't just about luck, it's a strategic game. First, identify your skills and passions. What can you offer that others need? Next, set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a house or starting a business, know your target. Then, invest in yourself. Take courses, read books, and network. Surround yourself with successful people. Their mindset can be contagious. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one source. Think side hustles, investments, or passive income. Finally, stay disciplined. Budget wisely, track your expenses, and avoid unnecessary debt. Remember, wealth is built over time, not overnight. Stay focused, stay motivated, and watch your financial dreams turn into reality. Thanks for watching, and if you have any experiences or tips to share, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips and strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.